This is the SENBONO S08. It's a sports fitness watch that gives you your step count, your daily information on sleep time from last night, and some biometric information, including heart rate, which once you tap it will load up and give you nice high contrast white digits against a black background with a band that can brighten considerably and be nicely viewable outdoors. You also have a training section, which includes all of your standard training activities that give you data of a time, elapsed time versus step count versus calories burned and all those kind of things. You can measure blood pressure on this one as well as blood oxygen. You've got push messages that you can get from tethering to your phone and also use it as a remote camera for taking phone pictures and a remote music player to control the music on your phone. You have other items in the settings, including a timer, turning mute on and off, the huge range of brightness, resetting the watch or powering it down. All in all, it's a nice, easy to use, attractive fitness watch, the SENBONO S08. Check it out.